Removing soy sauce from your clothes is a lot easier than one might think. Let me teach you a quick and easy way to get this stain out. Join me. The items you will need to get started is white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and a clean cloth. Blot your stain with a clean cloth. Rinse from the back side of your fabric. Dab the front of the stain with white vinegar and then hydrogen peroxide. Let your clothes sit and dry for, 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse the stain. Launder as you would normally and then air dry. The reason why we air dry is to ensure the entire stain is out. Heat from your dryer will cause the stain to set, and that's something that we really want to avoid. If you follow the steps above and the stain is not completely out, simply just repeat them. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY cleaning and organizational videos, and give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.